Hi guys, this is Rahul here. So we'll go through the disclaimer quickly and then we'll move to the topic. So markets are read 46% of the times, yet investors win. So usually markets 46% of the days close करती हैं रेड में नेगेटिव में बट फिर भी investors in the longer run are able to make money and we'll see how that is possible through some data. So this is Nifty 50 try data. Nifty 50 try. And in my last video, I told you that Nifty 50 try, which is total return index, is the right number that we should look at if you're talking about the returns, because Nifty 50 में सिर्फ प्राइस रिटर्न्स होते हैं और Nifty 50 ट्राई के अंदर प्राइस प्लस डिविडेंड दोनों चीजें होती हैं. So this data is from 1999 to approximately 2025, and you see that all these days are green days and all these are red days, and this is the distribution. Now if we go ahead and see that during this phase there was 6576 trading days, जिसमें से approximately 54% days positive हैं और 46% days negative हैं. And this is what I was trying to show you, that 46% of the times Nifty closes on a red note, on a loss on a daily basis. And also if we look at the size of the average positive day is plus 0.92%, but on the other hand usual negative days are slightly bigger at minus 0.95%. So एक ग्रीन डे जो होता है उसका साइज और एक रेड डे का साइज जब हम ऑन एन एवरेज कंपेयर करते हैं ओवर लास्ट 25-26 years old data, so we see that green days are usually smaller in size and red days are usually larger in size, although बहुत ज़्यादा difference नहीं है. Now we'll try to see the expectancy, and this will give us the answer of why investors tend to make money in the longer run. So expectancy का formula क्या होता है? Expectancy का formula होता है बहुत simple. Let me take you through the formula. So the expectancy का formula is probability of green multiplied by average size of green plus probability of red outcome or negative outcome multiplied by average size of red. And this is what we would try to do here. So अगर आप देखेंगे तो we have tried to calculate the average expectancy of Nifty on a daily basis. So the probability of positive day, which is 54%, multiplied by average return of an average positive day, 0.92, plus probability of negative day, which is 46%, and the average return of a negative day, which is minus 0.95%. अगर आप इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो एक ये नंबर आएगा, which is the average daily expectancy. Now what does this mean? This means that on a larger time frame, on a 20-25 years time frame, this is the average net result of every trading day. इसका मतलब हर ट्रेडिंग डे हमें ऑन एन एवरेज 0.06% का पॉजिटिव रिटर्न देता है. दिस इज the reason why in a longer run investors are able to make money regardless of negative days being bigger than the green days, although the probability of negative days are also slightly lower than the positive days. Now this is a very interesting thing. आप लोग इसके बारे में गूगल भी कर सकते हैं, थोड़ा पढ़ भी सकते हैं. दिस इज द एक्सपेक्टेंसी एंड हाउ इट helps a trader or an investor to stay in the green zone in his investing or trading career. So अगर आप देखेंगे कि let's say आपका average win rate is 50%, which is here, तो आपको किस तरह का रिस्क रिवॉर्ड चाहिए टू स्टे प्रॉफिटेबल इन द लॉन्गर रन. तो अगर मैं इस लाइन को प्लॉट करूं तो आप देखेंगे कि अगर मेरा विन रेट 50% है तो मुझे एटलीस्ट 1:1 का रिस्क रिवॉर्ड चाहिए टू स्टे प्रॉफिटेबल. सो ये दिस इज ऑल प्रॉफिटेबल. इससे इस लाइन के ऊपर इट्स ऑल प्रॉफिटेबल और इस लाइन के नीचे इट्स ऑल लॉस मेकिंग. सो अगर मेरा 50% का रिक्वायर्ड विन रेट है और मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड है 1, तो 1:1 एंड 50% विन रेट, इसका मतलब मैं ब्रेक इवन पे रहूंगा. 50% विन रेट के साथ आई नीड टू टारगेट अ बेटर रिस्क रिवॉर्ड देन 1:1. सो अब 1:1.5 और 1:2 रिस्क रिवॉर्ड इज समथिंग दैट आई शुड टारगेट अपॉन. और इसी तरह से अगर मेरा विन परसेंटेज कम है तो मेरा रिस्क टू रिवॉर्ड नीड्स टू बी मच हायर इन ऑर्डर फॉर मी टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल इन द लॉन्गर रन. And here it is. We have a True Turtles Trendmaster portfolio, which is a diversified portfolio of 20 stocks. And this is based on our in-house developed trend following model. This is currently available on Small Case, 5paisa, Cyrus, and our own website. If you guys like the content, you may check it out. And we have also mentioned our WhatsApp number and support email ID. If you guys have any questions, you can reach out to us on these. You can also put your questions in the comment section and we would try to answer those in our next videos. Till then, see you. Take care.